The power grid has been dead for 19 hours. Your neighbor's pipes burst at 4 a.m. You heard the screaming. The family 3 doors down tried running their generator indoors. They're not answering knocks. They're never answering knocks again. Your phone died 6 hours ago. Cell towers went offline at midnight. Outside, 11 degrees Fahrenheit. Inside, dropping 2 degrees per hour. You have maybe 8 hours before hypothermia starts making decisions for you. No worries, we're going to fix this using physics, trash, and the kind of desperation that makes IKEA furniture assembly look dignified. Phase 1. Stop heating the whole house, genius. You're trying to warm 1,800 square feet with a human body that generates 100 watts. You're a light bulb. Your house is a warehouse. This is like trying to fill a swimming pool with a water gun. You will die doing math you should have done in September. Pick one room. Right now, the smallest one. Doesn't matter if it's the bathroom. Pride is a warm weather emotion. Strip every blanket, towel, and jacket from the rest of the house. Stuff towels under the door. Every gap is a heat vampire. Tape garbage bags over windows, not for insulation, they suck at that, but to block radiant heat loss. Hang a blanket over the doorway like a shower curtain. Congratulations, you built an airlock.
You're not saving the house. The house is dead. You're saving a 10 by 10 box with you inside it. Now the math works. You're welcome. Phase 2. Candles don't heat rooms, they heat coffins. Someone on the internet told you a candle and a flower pot makes a mini heater. That person lied to you. A candle makes 80 watts. You make 100 watts just sitting there being disappointing. The flower pot doesn't amplify heat. It's thermal mass. It absorbs, holds, radiates. Slowly. Uselessly. Also, burning candles for 12 hours in a sealed room, that's carbon monoxide poisoning with ambiance. You'll just fall asleep and not wake up. Romantic. Use candles for light, not heat. Stop being creative. For actual heat, fill bottles with hot water, wrap them in socks, stick them in your armpits, between your thighs, against your core. These are 500-watt heat packs that last 2 hours and don't produce poison gas. When they cool down, rotate them. You're a human rotisserie chicken now. Accept it. Phase 3. The ground is eating you alive. You're piling on jackets like you're building armor. Wrong fight. Warmth is about trapping air, not thickness. And you're losing 30% of your body heat through conduction with the floor right now. That cold floor is actively sucking heat out of your body like a mortgage payment. Fix it? Cardboard, newspapers, bubble wrap, styrofoam, pool floats, yoga mats. Layer it 6 inches thick between you and the floor, then blankets, then you, then more blankets. You're making a survival burrito. Sleep in your clothes, all of them. Add a hat. You lose 10% of heat through your head. If you have other people, sleep together. Each human is a 100-watt space heater. 2 people in one sleeping bag setup, you can maintain 50 degrees Fahrenheit when the room hits 30 degrees Fahrenheit. This looks pathetic. It looks like you're homeless in your own living room. That's because you are, temporarily. Survival doesn't do aesthetics.
Phase 4. Your body is a furnace eating itself. Your body burns calories to make heat. When you're cold, it burns more calories to shiver and keep you alive. Here's the trap. People stop eating during a crisis because they're rationing or stressed. Your body doesn't care about your feelings. It'll burn through glycogen in 24 hours, then start eating your own muscle tissue for fuel. Your internal furnace starts cannibalizing itself. Guess what happens to your body temperature when the furnace runs out of fuel? Eat constantly, small amounts, every 2 hours. High-fat foods, nuts, peanut butter, cheese, chocolate, cooking oil straight from the bottle if that's your life now. Carbs burn fast. Protein generates heat during digestion. Mix all 3. You're not satisfying hunger. You're fueling a biological furnace that's keeping you from becoming a statue. And drink water, even cold water. Dehydration thickens your blood, kills circulation, makes hypothermia set in faster. You're gonna feel like you're gaining weight. You're not. You're staying alive. There's a difference. Phase 5. Fire without the coffin. Eventually, body heat isn't enough. You need actual fire. Most people think fireplace, camp stove, generator indoors. All of these kill you if you're stupid.
Fireplace? If you haven't used it in 5 years, there's a bird nest in the chimney. You'll smoke yourself out or start a structure fire. Also, 90% of heat goes up the chimney. You're literally watching warmth escape. Camp stove indoors? Carbon monoxide machine. You'll get sleepy and die. Generator indoors? Even in a garage? Same thing. Odorless, colorless death.
If you must use a fireplace, verify the chimney is clear. Burn small, hot fires, not massive logs. Small fires equals complete combustion equals less poison gas. No fireplace? Make a tin can rocket stove. 2 large cans, ventilation holes, stack them, feed small sticks through the bottom. Burns hot, minimal fuel. Or a buddy burner. Cardboard strips coiled in a tuna can, soaked in melted wax. Burns for 2 to 3 hours. Put it on a metal tray near a cracked window. Yes, you lose heat, but you're alive to complain. You're making hobo stoves in your house. If past you could see this, they'd cry. Good thing past you is dead. Phase 6. Your brain is the enemy now. The cold doesn't kill most people. Psychological collapse does. You sit there shivering, watching your breath fog, and your brain starts whispering, "We're going to die here. No one is coming." Your body releases cortisol, blood vessels constrict, you get colder. Congratulations, your panic is literally killing you faster. Fix it? Micro goals. Every hour, do something. Rotate bottles, eat a snack, do 20 jumping jacks, reorganize your nest. Movement generates 200 watts of heat and stops the death spiral in your head. Make noise, sing, talk to yourself. The sound is a psychological anchor that says you're still human. If you're with others, play games, counting games, story games, stupid games. Why? Your brain can't panic and problem solve at the same time. You're tricking your brain like it's a toddler, because it is a toddler, and it's having a tantrum in a frozen house.
Phase 7. Frostbite triage for when you screwed up. Let's say you messed up. Someone got exposed. Fingers or toes are white, waxy, numb, or gray and hard. Most people's instinct, hot water, rub vigorously, stick it near the fire. All of these cause permanent tissue damage. Do not rub frostbitten skin. You'll shred ice crystals through tissue like microscopic knives. Do not use direct heat. You'll burn dead tissue that can't feel pain anymore. Warm the area gradually. Frozen fingers in your armpit. Frozen toes against someone's stomach. Keep it elevated, protected. If skin blisters, do not pop them. That's your body's sterile bandage. If tissue turns black and hard, that's deep frostbite. That tissue is dead. It will fall off or require amputation later. There's nothing you can do except keep it clean and prevent infection. You're doing battlefield triage in your bedroom now. The goal isn't saving the finger, it's saving the hand. Welcome to collapse medicine. It's exactly as fun as it sounds. Phase 8. Knowing when to abandon ship. Here's the question nobody asks until it's too late. How long can you actually hold out? Days? Weeks? Depends on food, water, fuel, and whether your brain hasn't eaten itself from stress yet. Set a decision point before you're desperate. If power isn't back in 72 hours, we go to location. Friend with a wood stove. Community shelter. Relative 2 towns over. A mall. A library. Large buildings hold heat longer. Plan the route. Walk during daylight. Layer everything. Bring food and water. Move slowly. Sweating in winter means wet clothes means death. Staying put is safest for 48 hours. After that, your gambling help arrives before you run out of resources. Sometimes the smart move is leaving the fortress. Leaving your home feels like failure. It's not. It's triage. You're not saving the house. You're saving yourself. There's a difference. Here's what all of this comes down to. Your body is 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. The air is 20 degrees Fahrenheit. The universe wants equilibrium. Every technique in this video just slows down heat transfer. Insulation slows conduction. Layers slow convection. Blocked windows slow radiation. Eating slows metabolic crash. You can't win. The second law of thermodynamics doesn't negotiate. You're just slowing the loss long enough for the grid to come back, or dawn to arrive, or you to reach somewhere warmer. You're not trying to be invincible.
You're trying to be harder to kill than the cold air around you. And in collapse, that's the only victory that matters. What do you think about all these situations? Would you be prepared to deal with them where you live? Tell us in the comments below. If this plan made sense to you, click the like button and share it to learn more survival tips in the next episode.